What is happening, guys? Welcome back to Baguettes and ASBOs, where today we're here again. We're at Oulton Park. We're in the ASBO. I've already been out, a bit out of breath as you can tell. A couple of issues on the sighting lap. Engine malfunction, engine very bad, but not that bad. Boost leak, boost pipe was popping off. So I've managed to come back, get that done. Scratched up all my knuckles doing that. Still getting an engine malfunction light, but I have put a new boost pipe and that's where the math connects and all that kind of stuff, so I think it's just related to that. Also, noise test issues, he let me on 107 I got, I think it's meant to be 105, but I have put new exhaust mounts on, stiffens it up a little bit, so it's not going to resonate as much, so I think that's what that is. He did say just watch out for black flags because they have noise testers around the track. Let's see how we get on. I'm not going to bore you with too much track footage, but we will do some pit walks. Johnny's on his way down, so we'll get up to our usual shenanigans, see if we can get him in a Westfield or a catering, see if we can get him into something snuggly, and we'll be back in a minute. Get myself a little snack and a bit of a drink. Oh, I love walking back over to my car. She's a good looking little beast, and it's a pocket rocket. Here's the setup for today. Track bag, few bits. Power bank for charging my GoPro batteries, lightweight jack just in case, 20 litres of fuel, brake bleeding kit because I brought a bit of fluid just in case because we swapped those brakes as you saw in the last video. Car wise, the new gripper diff is in and what a difference it's making. Exhaust is rattling a little bit. There's a few heat shields and a few mounts underneath that I might just strip out, but yeah. These Brembo 4 pots off the Megane RS or Clio 197 are working a treat. Sestino medium compound semi-slick tyres, BT 330R turbo, the Renza intercooler, ITG intake, stage 3. I went for the full tarmac spec, aggressive gripper diff, and it is working wonders. Half cage, central locking, whip. One seat all stripped out. Some of you may have seen little GoPro remote there. Had to get a new harness so I could get the STC in for John. Cage, GoPro. ASBO. I give it a little bit of a paint in the back. I went over that under seal paint. Oh, this now it's nice and dry. Lovely, looks delightful. What a beast. Next, I think I want diffuser, spoiler, chassis mounted splitter. Just some love and attention. She needs a service and a good bit of TLC over winter. Probably another track day after this. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We'll see. It'd be nice. Need a new set of wheels, another set of tyres. These have probably done me 6 or 7 track days now. Melted the centre caps because of the heat at Cadwell. These are the new discs. They were black, now silver. Absolutely pointless for paying extra for black discs. But yeah, let's go and see some track action. Baguettes. ASBO. Check this old cruiser. Nice that.
Vecchi.
GSI. Oosh. It's been for a little munching checkers. Johnny Rebs there.
Yeah, boy.
I'm going to go and check the tyre pressure, see if we've fixed this leak.
I think we're 34.
I don't think we're that high.
They were getting hot.
Yeah, we're
just under some pressure.
Just nearly had an altercation with a 911, as you'll see now.
Absolutely twitchy bum. So we've just pulled her up and decided we're going to lift the suspension up a wee bit. In the process, everything happens for a reason. What's the verdict, Matthew? Can't see. Does smell like gearbox fluid.
It's definitely gearbox fluid. It's dripping on from here.
Clapped it there on the actual wheel, and I seen all the wheel wet as soon as that come off, and then obviously he noticed. So we'll get back to you shortly with a little update.
So it looks like these T30s here a little bit loose, and we're dripping out of the drive shaft. The drive shaft's splattering everywhere, but we just borrowed a tool off a chap over there. Tying it up and see if we can fix this seat. Tyre pressures are good. Just nipped up those little bolts again, so we lent some tools off the guys over there in the Subaru and the Clio. Adjusted the rebound on the front, made it a little bit stiffer, and then we're going to stick some fuel in, and we should be ready for the afternoon session. Well, I'm glad I didn't spruce them calipers up, because look at them, that burgundy colour. Just as I was overtaking that M5, foot went to the floor. I reckon we've probably still got a bit of a diff leak. I don't know if that's new. We definitely got a bit of diff oil in there. I don't know if that's new, but yeah, we still got the diff leak.
Oh yeah, I can see it coming on the wheel now, mate.
Exhaust is rattling like mad. But yeah, she's just had a good hiding, mate, and lasted as well. Really good. Right, so as always, when we come to Oulton Park, we've got to do the pit walk. So M2 sled. SC180. SC gang race cars. They've been flying today. Yeah, a lot of them have gone home. Oh, CTB18. You alright, mate? We know we love these. As we keep saying, one day. I'm rushing a little bit today because there's an absolute weapon at the end. M240i, track spec, AR1s, Clio Cup car, we'll come back to that one. The ADM. There she is. Oh, GT3 RS, right, yeah. Serious question, get in the comments, which one you having? Unreal. This is what we need. We couldn't really go in there, it was a little bit manic. Baguette cup. Right, fun cup. Lovely. A little bit of sim action there. Oh no, bit of video footage on the V-Box. Empty pit. GR.
Another beetle over there.
Oh, another GR. And that's it. Let's come have a look at this beetle. Oh, it's getting pulled by Defender as well. Lovely stuff. Brum. Brum. JDM. Lovely STI.
Very nice.
M3, easy M3 that was sliding behind us. Little MX5. Absolute weapon of an ASBO, just behind that blue van there. Mike Larry.
Clean. There's something to aspire to. What have we got? What have we not? Liking that silver, to be fair. He's got some mad bracket here. Sure, mine. Oh, no, yeah, it has. Tidy though. Got the windows I want as well. Full dash, same steering wheel, same shifter. Just need them rims.
So I've met a new friend today. He's got a Mark 1 Escort rally car. He was just testing it out on track because he's doing the Oulton Park stages, the night rally and the fireworks show. Had a little bit of a chat to him. Went over at the end of the day to see how he'd got on. He said, oh, my throttle pedal's been sticking. And as he pressed his throttle, I thought, sounded his throttle, and found a GoPro remote. Pulled it out, showed him. He said, bloody hell, I've crashed this car. It's had 92 hours welding on it. They stripped it down to a shell. And no one found that remote. And there it was. I diagnosed it. He asked me how much I charge per hour. I said, you can have that one for free, mate. And I'll see you at the fireworks show. All right, so that's it. Loaded up. Done. Brakes boiled. This leaking. So thought I'll rest it there. We'll call it a day. I didn't get under 2 minutes. I'm still stuck with the PB 201. It's there. It's close. It's close. It's taunting me, to be fair. I think 205 was the best I did today, but the tyres had gone off. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Tell your mum, tell your nan. Later.